You can try, but you can't.
Right now, I am in my beauty room closet, and the one thing I've been definitely working on through the years is organization. I see sometimes most of us are not there, okay? Girl, the way some folks keep their spaces is crazy, and I've always tried not to be that girl. So I try to have a place for everything. The one thing I have not really did a lot of is investing in like those storage containers. You know, I got it for my makeup, but I have every intention this year of getting my products in here, in my kitchen, in the bathroom, in some kind of organized containers or something of that nature. Now, I know some of y'all will say, Sweet Angel, you already got it like that. You've already done some of those things. I have, but not to the extent that I want to. I really want it where I can just get my hands on it. I really want it where I can like perhaps label what it is and rotate products out, make sure I can keep up with what I have so that I don't duplicate things like that. Because I promise you, over the last few weeks since I have been just kind of reorganizing, even with my closet, y'all, I spent so much time getting my closet together, putting like colors together. I did find some duplications of some things that I'm like, why did I buy this when I have this? So it really helps. It really does help. And another thing, I hoard things that I don't necessarily need. I don't know why I have this thing about you can't toss that out. You shouldn't toss that out. Oh my gosh. Y'all excuse my voice. It's rather raspy today. It's raining here in Memphis. But one thing I have made a point of this year, I have some higher end fragrances. This is, what is that? Michael Kors Wanderlust. Girl, it's empty. But I kept the bottle in my little perfume tray because I didn't want my perfume tray to be looking on E. Which, what does it matter? I have other fragrances I can use. So I'm tossing such things out. Now, it's crazy. And I thought maybe if I held on to them, then I'll eventually go back and buy the similar products. But I haven't. This Dior Poison Girl. This, y'all, if I would buy a higher end fragrance, this is one of my favorites. I just like to go and sniff sometimes what it smelled like. Oh my gosh. This one is one, but I'm tossing it. It's nothing in it. There is nothing in it. Period. Yeah. Tossing it. It's crazy. Here's another one. Jimmy Choo. This is the Fever, or was, the Fever Eau de Parfum by Jimmy Choo. Yeah, that smells awesome as well. Girl, it's a drop in there. It's a drop, but it can't even go up through the tube, hardly. Nope. It's a little bit in there. Hold on. All right, I just spritzed the rest of that out. But this is Sol de Janeiro's Sol Cheirosa, or was. Do I have anything else that needs to go? Baby, because your girl is wrong. And right now, I am finishing up. I said I was going to finish up what is already on the verge of being gone, and this is the Jimmy Choo I Want You. This one is nearly out. So this has been the fragrance pretty much of the last few days. You know, as I start going through the different fragrances, this has been the one I've been wearing. Yeah, so got that portion of life done. And next up, they try to box me in, try to dim my light, but I've been praying, so I'm built for the fight. Whispers in the hall. I'm actually going to start using more of my little samples. I've had these containers for a long time, so these, I have several of these, but most of them are full. But I have samples that I'm going to start using. A lot of things I've heard about that I said, oh, I'm going to try that. I've got a sample for it probably, so I'm going to start using these. You know, it's just like I saw, I'm not a real big primer person, but I know I have one in here. Here it is, the Milk, the Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard so many things about it, but I never did open the little packet up. And I have one right here. So we're going to do that. We're going to get it organized. We're going to have it looking so cute. I'm going to know where everything is. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I know this. I know this. I have a lot of my moisturizers and things that are all over the place, and I need to finish up using them. Even if I don't use them on my face, you know, I can use it on my hands, on my body. Okay, so works just fine. And this is my Lily Anna Naturals, one of my favorite products. I've been using a lot of it, so I'm going to get it organized here or put into the little slots, and I'll show y'all when I'm finished with all of that. So no need to really walk through everything with y'all, but that's what I'm up to. Oh, y'all, I hate to do this. Another thing I hate to do. Let me show you. Let me show you. Girl, back there in the cut are several Avon lotions. And I don't even like those scents anymore. Or they have probably like changed into something else. Those are going in the trash today. Yeah, I'm just going to look at the site. I don't think any of these are still available on the Avon site. This one is the Avon Femme. This is the Avon Femme. It's not available anymore. And that's not what I want to smell like. This is Instinct. That's not the way I want to smell either. Now, I used to love Passion. I did. But I think it's oxidized, and I don't think they sell it anymore. Yeah, this is going to go. And sometimes some of the lotions with that perfumey smell to them kind of make my skin itch a little bit. So that's something that I know I won't be indulging in. I can use the softer fragrances, like let's say things from Sol de Janeiro. I can do theirs. I can do Fenty body butters. But some things with certain something or whatever, I don't know what it is in them, but they make me itch. Don't like that. Far away, Bella. I'm going to toss it. I've had it for so long that no, not doing that. Anything else? I have a set up there, which I'm going to keep. I have the Senses. Now, the Senses, I think they still have that one. Let me just check and see. Which one is that one? I don't know if they still have that particular scent or not, but I'm going to keep it because it's brand new. I have not opened it up at all. And, yeah, got rid of that. So I'm just clearing out some things. Like I said, I will let y'all check it out as I go through the process. I'm also going to do the same thing in my bathroom. All of my face washes that, you know, I like to use, you know, like brand products together. I don't like mixing because I think they're formulated to work best together. So I'm going to keep that same sentiment when it comes to that. But if it's just body wash, then I'm just going to put the body washes together. You know, I just recently got some new scrubs and things like that, and I'm going to clear those up. So that is what the agenda is right about now, for sure. Okay.
But I know my name and I know God's there. I don't move on fear. I don't live on lies. I got